look here for you.
And activate.
Alright, so we have made it to our second hotel of this trip. We are very glad to be back in air conditioning and out of the Florida humidity. But boy, that was intense. We had a good day. We unfortunately didn't get to do everything we wanted to do, but we wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that we got while we were in Galaxy's Edge. We will start with my husband's new prized possession. Whoa. Pretty cool. So I thought the experience at Savvy's workshop was amazing. I didn't get to do it personally, but just from watching it, I thought it was so cool. You can like take it apart, obviously. I don't know, what did you think?
Awesome.
Yeah, just awesome. In one word, totally worth the money.
I mean, the quality it's fantastic. I mean, this probably weighs 10 plus pounds at least.
Well, you would think that you would get plastic pieces because it seems like Disney sells toys and things like that.
No.
These are all metal pieces.
No, this is intended not to be for children. It's like actually like collectible level.
Yeah, no.
Stuff.
And speaking of collectible, we did get a little stand for it to display in our home. So that's one of the things that we got today.
Sit on top.
Yeah, it sits just nicely like that. So very good. And the stand part, I don't know. I feel like $25 is appropriate probably for a
this is
stand.
a metal stand too. So.
And you had talked about building your own stand.
But this looks better than anything I would build, so.
Yeah. So in that line of thinking, we did get Craig a lightsaber belt clip. You'll notice that most of these things in here are for Craig, but I will enjoy them vicariously through him. So this is if you wanted to put it like on your belt and wear it so that you could be prepared at all times.
That's part of a costume.
Let's not drop your
No,
lightsaber.
let's not do that. There
Let's
you go.
not do that. Is that expensive?
This one, 18 or something like that, I forget.
Yeah. That seems a little pricey, but I don't know. For a good quality clip, you probably want something sturdy. So
18.
I see. Well, something that I was excited about was they had the cool Coke bottles. We did drink one of them, and I was saving this one for later, but we're not really sure how we're going to get these home yet, just because they are not TSA approved. So we may end up sending these with my parents who live in Florida, and they may drive them back at some point. But unfortunately, they look like little bombs, and so you can't check them in your bag, and
Unless
you can't.
you do this.
Okay.
Now it's an ornament.
Well, yes, that's true. So we were considering trying to put this in one of our suitcases, and then the little top in another part. Because apparently this is a bomb, but I understand, safety first, whatever. This is not something that we picked up, but Mom just gave me these cute little Millennium Falcon chocolate pops that she picked up from the ganachery at Disney Springs today. So these are very cute. We've got edible glitter, Craig.
Oh, joyous.
Oh, joy. I'm excited about them. I think they're cute. So we picked up some Imperial credits, which
And Imperial credit.
and this is just one credit?
Well, it's just one piece.
I see. Okay. Well, yeah, it's just kind of like a metal piece. And if you're not familiar, credits are the currency unit in the Star Wars realm. So this is also, a pretty substantial little trinket, and we're going to put it on display in our home. We have a set of wizard money, nuts, galleons, and sickles. So we're going to display this next to it in our nerdy little home. This one was a little expensive, honestly. Wasn't it? It was like $60, right? Yeah. So.
But it's actually metal.
Yeah, it's good quality. So this one I'm gonna let you talk about.
Ultra nerdiness here.
Bringing it to the next level. And if you haven't figured it out yet, Craig's a Sith. He is evil. I already knew this, but now you know too.
Sith holocron. So you actually can put your kyber crystal.
What's a kyber crystal, Craig?
Inside of your lightsaber. It focuses your force energies.
Aha. And in less extensive terms, it's what color your lightsaber is.
So you can actually take it out of inside of this when you disassemble it, or you can buy extras that they sell, and you put it in here. And once you close it and turn it on, it says, I assume since this is Sith, it'll be like Darth Maul or Darth Sidious. But it'll go up there on the display case next to this.
Yeah.
So.
And so in the experience that he did today for the lightsaber building thing at Savvy's, he got this little pin. He was instructed to wear it over his heart the whole time, and he did very faithfully obey that rule. So
good.
Yep. And this is the symbol of power and control. Yeah. So this is the type of lightsaber that he built.
Yep. One of the four.
One of the four. Yeah.
So I didn't realize you get to keep it. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, and also we got the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge opening day pin. One of them. They had a few, but we didn't realize that they were going to be selling merchandise over in the Sunset Boulevard area of the park, and so we just headed, straight for Galaxy's Edge. But this is cool because it's got the date on it, and it's a nice way to commemorate that we were actually here before the crack of dawn. Not even at the crack of dawn, like 3 hours before the crack of dawn. And then finally, Craig got himself a commemorative t-shirt as well, which has the date on it. So it's very nice. Feels pretty soft and comfortable. Can go along with your Boba Fett shirt that you also got from Disney World. So
Don't take my money.
Shut up and take my money.
They're good at that.
They are good at that. So yeah, I feel like it was a good day. Shopping wise, it was a good day. Experience wise, there were lots of crowds, but it was so worth it. Like, I can't even tell you how happy I was to give them our money for this experience. So
Yep.
all in all, a really, really good day. So I hope you guys enjoy visiting Galaxy's Edge whenever you guys have time to come. I'd love to hear about all the fun things that you do when you come. A couple things that we didn't get to do, unfortunately. We didn't get a reservation for Oga's Cantina, which was obviously like one of the most sought after things on opening day. So we'll just have to come back and do that another time. But it's supposed to be kind of like the cantina bar of the Black Spire Outpost area. And then we also did not get to go into the droid depot, which is similar to building your own lightsaber. You can build your own droid, so that might be an experience that we get to look forward to in a future visit as well.
A little bit cheaper.
Yeah, not quite as expensive as a
I think that
lightsaber.
one's 100.
Yeah, that sounds right. 100 for a droid. The lightsaber experience was 200, in case you're curious.
Totally worth it.
Yeah, definitely endorsing the full 200 spend.
Yeah. But you only get to bring in one person with you. One participant, one guest. So
Yeah.
think about that before you plan it.
That's so true. So one thing that we didn't tell you guys is, I think we mentioned it at one point in the video, Arabesh is the language that's spoken in the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge realm. But they also have some phrases that you can learn to kind of communicate with the workers in the area. And so we were hearing bright suns all day, which means hello or good morning. And then till the spires was like goodbye.
Was it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you remember what any of the other ones were? The hydrator is the water fountain, and the refresher is the bathroom.
I mean, they refer to Savi's as junk metal, but that's because of the nature of it.
Well, do you want to tell them about Savi's?
Yeah, so Savi's is, if you go into the park, it's kind of cool. If you mention anything about lightsabers, or if you say you have a Savi's lightsaber experience, they'll all look confused and pretend like they don't know what's going on, but that's because Savi's is an illegal business that has to stay under the guise of being a junk metal dealer, so they evade the first order. So you're on it. You have a reservation to go get junk metal.
Yep.
And when they give you your black carry-on bag to carry your lightsaber throughout the park for the rest of the day, so you don't hit people with it, and so it's easier to hold. Basically, when people see that, they'll call and be like, "Wow, you got a pile of junk metal or scrap metal in there."
Good job. You salvaged some parts.
Yep. So kind of cool.
Yeah. So anyway, thanks again for watching another video on the Travel Buffet. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy watching these videos. And hopefully I will see you over on one of my social media channels. Until next time, may the Force be with you.